Making money online with affiliate marketing or digital products is not as hard as you think. I help women over 50 go from overwhelmed and overlooked to empowered and earning. I teach them how to use easy digital systems to create income online without tech stress or hype. It's not just about the money, it's about reclaiming control, purpose, and possibility. Many feel their options are shrinking, but you're showing them that's not true. Their experience, wisdom, and stories can become income through digital products or affiliate systems or other online offers. The opportunities are endless. This isn't another online course. It's a roadmap to freedom for women 50 plus. It's designed especially for women who want to make money online with confidence and simplicity. And purpose. Every action you take will have a positive impact. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your experience into income. Through digital offers and affiliate marketing, even if you've never done it before. You'll have all the tools you need to succeed in the digital world. You'll go from feeling lost, stuck, or unsure where to start, to feeling confident and clear about your path forward. It's time to take charge. Overwhelmed by tech or social media? Not anymore. You'll be running your own simple system with ease and confidence. Doubting your ability to earn online? Let's put those doubts to rest. You'll be proudly earning income on your terms, doing what you love. It's time to step into your power and create the life you deserve. Your experience is valuable, and the world needs what you have to offer. Don't let age hold you back from pursuing your dreams and achieving financial freedom. Embrace the opportunity to learn, grow, and create a thriving online business. Join a community of like-minded women who are supporting each other every step of the way. It's your time to shine. Start your journey to online income today. Click the link below.